Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Online registration has been there for last more than 15 years. And over a period, it has improved. The system has improved because there were a lot of issues earlier, but they were all addressed well. And today we are absolutely in a very good position to do online registration at the dealer point, which is 24/7 open, irrespective of it's a holiday or Sunday, whatever it is, there is no issue. There are a lot of new changes have been made, which I think the two major changes are still to be implemented in the state of Goa. The moment the vehicles leave the factory, entire data of your engine chassis number is uploaded on Vahan 4. Now we had the earlier system wherein when the new vehicle consignment comes to the dealership, the RTO inspector has to come and inspect the vehicle. They inspect for what? To check the engine number, chassis number is the same on the vehicle as shown in the invoice. Now with this uploading of the data by the manufacturer, that is absolutely not required. So dealer obtains all the documents from the customer, what is required by the RTO. They do the online registration, issue the number. So now, since the online registration is done, all documents are uploaded, RTO should accept that as a final thing. All over the country now, states have started following the new practice. It's only in Goa which is not there. Which the transport director assured us we will do it, but it's still not been done.
कितलोय तुवें बदल हाडलो, डिजिटायजेशन केलें, मनशाच्या मनान बदल जावपा जाय. आमचे RTO इन्स्पेक्टर थोडे आसा ते अजुनूय ओल्ड मायंडसेट घेवन आसा. तांकां मातशें वायट दिसता, आपल्या हातीन आसलें तर सुट्टा सगळो पावर. डिजिटायज म्हळ्यार तुजे कडेन कोण येयच ना. दे गो ऑन द डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म, whether it is your driving license, learners, permits, so many services, as many as 14 services have been digitized. वचपाची गरज ना, घरा बसून तुका प्रिंट आउट येता, पेमेंटूय केले जाता, सो तेंचे कडेन कोण येता. सो दॅट लिटल बीट ऑफ थिंकिंग हॅज टू चेंज. पयर एक बैठक घेतला, सगळे ADT आपोवन, सगळे मेन ऑफिसर आपोवन, MVI, AVI, आनी तांकां सांगला वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग, यू हॅव टू चेंज. हें चलपाना म्हूण. आनी ओके, यू आर टेकिंग टायम टू एडॅप्ट, time to learn the technology or adopt to it. I am giving you 1 month's time. Every month I am sangla I'll have review.